Everybody, it is Wednesday, the 24th of April, 2019, and the S&P 500 pulled back slightly here today. You can see we're still above last week's high and also above the week-to-date volume-weighted average price, and of course that rising 5-day moving average. So we continue to look at it as innocent till proven guilty. If you're a short-term scalper, maybe there's an opportunity in there for you, but again, it just doesn't make sense to fight this trend still. The NASDAQ did close a little bit lower after that record closing high yesterday, and the market's a little bit extended. It's easy to look at it and say it's up too much, but again, week to date, here's our volume-weighted average price, and we're still above that. We're above a rising 5-day moving average. The buyers remain in control. Perhaps we need a little bit of time to digest these gains, but it doesn't mean that it's a good idea to fade them. The Russell 2000 did break beyond those highs that we saw and closed pretty much right at them. So let's look at the daily time frame again. And here we can see we've got that trend line we drew in and then the horizontal prior resistance. So we stay below that, but it's still constructive after finding buyers at the conjunction of the 20 and 50-day moving average. It still looks as though it's likely to head up towards this 163-ish area. For tomorrow, I think that if we were to see some pullback, it wouldn't be a problem as long as we remain above. I think the week-to-date volume-weighted average price. That's this one, of course, since we're 3 days into the week. That you continue to give the benefit of the doubt to the buyers there. And the semiconductors were up once again. They did fade here a little bit at the end of the day, but very difficult for anyone on the short side to be engaged in this market. And I would continue to suggest that you do not look at it from a short sale standpoint. People are wondering if it's up too much and doesn't it have to pull back? It doesn't have to do anything. I think again we give the benefit of the doubt to the buyers with a rising 5-day moving average and a week-to-date volume-weighted average price, which is right here. The biotechs did back off here a little bit today. That wasn't a surprise, as we do still have that declining 5-day moving average. The daily time frame, we're stuck below this prior band of support. So if this market continues to decline from here and let's say undercuts this low, then it's could represent a bigger issue for the broader market. So far, the biotech weakness has not translated to broader market weakness. It is only one sector, but it is a more speculative sector, and with money seemingly still flowing out of it, with it below the year-to-date volume-weighted average price and below the volume-weighted average price from December 24th. That's of course right here, right up in that area. We still look at these as guilty till proven innocent. The financials were off 4 pennies today. Still constructive though on the daily time frame. We broke this inverted head and shoulders pattern, the neckline, and it looks like it should be able to continue to move higher. Our week-to-date volume-weighted average price for some reason isn't showing up, so I'll just redraw it in. It's pretty much right there with the 5-day moving average, and I think that this is the level that we spoke about last night, and I think that's still the key level to stay focused on in the intermediate term.